as you can see, we have successfully installed our Salesforce connector and access token and auth token is built. So we will try with exporting the objects of ours. So we'll start with the contacts first. So the contact, then we'll create a new company. So for an example, we have taken this, then okay, so we will save it, and through an action button we can select on export to Salesforce. So you can see an Salesforce ID is generated. So with this ID we can go to our Salesforce, and here we can search for account. So in the account you can see a number of these are there, but you can find this is the account that we have made. Pragmatic principle. So this was the one. Same we can do it for contact. So we can create a new, then we can select the person, and we'll add the values for it. We'll add an email, phone number. So we can also add the company name as well. So if we will add a company name, then this particular contact will come under this particular company. So we'll see in how it will be looking into the Salesforce. So I will save it, and through this action button export to Salesforce. So you can see an ID is generated for it. So we can also do in one shortcut method, I can tell. So here is the ID. So in the ID you can paste that particular ID. So it will redirect you to the particular contact. So now you can see this is our contact, and this is an account name that was like particularly parent-child thing, we can say. So this is the things, and we can see phone number is added over here and email. So now we have CRM as well. So CRM we can enable lead also. So if we'll enable the leads, then we can export the lead as well. So CRM leads, create a new. So for an example, 100 probability is 40%. Company name we can add as it is, and we have to write it as it is in lead. So we are not able to select it from our company's contact. So we are writing as an dummy. Okay, so we'll save it also through the action button. You can save. Okay, please add an SF status. So here is an SF status is there, so we need to check it as it is an standard flow of Salesforce. So we'll export it. Same you can see, and Salesforce ID is generated. So I will copy this ID and paste it to our URL. So it will redirect us to that particular lead what we have. So same we have for opportunity. So if I will convert it to opportunity and create a new customer. Okay, so now you can see a new opportunity is created for it. So we can also export it. So it will say please add an expected closing date. So here is an expected closing date, and we'll save it and export to Salesforce. So we have also need to export this particular contact or company, sorry. So you can see an ID is generated for it. Then we'll try to export this. Now you can see an ID is generated for it. So same, copy the URL over there and opportunity over here. So same, we can create an product. So I will show how to export that product, because if we have to go with the sales order and quotation, we have to make an product onto our database. So product new, so yeah, okay, then what is the sales price of it, cost price. Okay, need to add an internal reference and save it. Now export to Salesforce. So same, ID is generated. Now we can check this particular product has been created in Salesforce. So what we have an particular opportunity, so we can make an quotation for it. So we have created a new quotation, and we can select the product what we have for now. So it's an apple, so quantity we can 3. So for exporting an quotation as per the Salesforce, we need to have an opportunity first. That is why I made first a lead opportunity, then I'm making an quotation. So in other info you can see an opportunity ID is connected with it. So I will I will save it. Okay, now it is an quotation. Same, we can export to Salesforce. So an ID is generated for it as well. So the code you can find in details that we have added 3 quantities, 3 SD and apple. So now yeah, we can also convert this into an sale order. So for sale order, we have to make sure that we have a contract running with the same name of the company name. So I will create a contract. So test contract. So we'll select a company, testing company. Contract start date would be like 15, month 12, state draft. Save. Okay, so it states order start date cannot be earlier than contract start date, so we can change. Okay, so saving it, also confirming it. So now it became an sale order, so we can export it. So you can see and Salesforce ID generated. It says sales order Salesforce ID. Also, if we will go to contract, you can see and contract is also get exported with this function. So in contract for contract also Salesforce ID is generated. So if we'll go to sale order and copy this ID, so you can see particular in contact is also created and sale order is also created for it. So if I will go to this contract, so the details what we have added, it already all are there into that particular Salesforce. Okay, so that was the main objects that we are exporting to Salesforce. Thank you.